Hi everyone, I'm the Travlin Prof. Welcome back to Russian Word of the Day video series. Today we are going to learn how to say the word for the famous, I want to say soup, but really it's not a soup if you ask anybody in Eastern Europe. The famous meal that Russia is known for, borщ.
Борщ. Борщ.
So when you look at this word, and if you hear somebody in America say it, you might be tempted to think they're just saying borщ. You might even see it written SHT, borщ. And there is a reason for that. The letter is sh instead of sh. It's kind of a combination between sh and ch. Let me know if you hear the difference down in the comments down below. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Борщ. Борщ.